Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I go from this untamed nappy afro to this sleek top knot bun, please keep watching. So I'm starting off on my nappy untamed afro. I'm going to jump right in with my spray bottle, and I'm going to begin to spray all around in my roots, giving it the moisture that I need to swoop and smooth. So I'm just spraying it all over. Jumping right in with my hair cream. This cream I absolutely adore when I do my ponytails because it keeps my hair soft and moist throughout the whole day. And that's what I like. I like my hair very, very moisturized, because that's, at the end of the day, that's what I feel grows my hair. Moving right along. Let's get the brush, go right in. I'm going to begin to shape and form my ponytail. Start brushing in upward motion. You see I got the back part, and I'm just going to go around and sleek. Just brushing and more brushing and a little more brushing. Some more brushing. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. I'm going to go ahead with my band and form the ponytail. So next I'm jumping in with my Eco Style gel. I'm going to take a little on the tips of my fingers and just put it on my edges, starting with my right side, and go ahead to my left and fill in my edges. I don't know why I do this, but I always do. Then I go right in with a full amount and go all over the outskirts of my bun. All the way around, grab a little bit more gel. Go right in for a little swoop at the back, swoop in the front, swoop all the way around, and we're back brushing. Brush, brush, brush. That's really all I do, is just keep brushing until, I get it how I like it. So I'm back with you guys with a little bit more gel, and again, I am swooping and swooping with my fingers, and I go back in with the brush. I'm telling you guys, the brush is key. Now I'm going to redo the bun and tighten it and making sure that it's sitting exactly how I want it. It wasn't tight enough, as you see, so I went ahead and brushed again just to make sure every single section of the bun was sleek as possible. Now I'm going to go ahead with my band, and I'm going to go ahead and tie up my bun. Tying, you can tie as tight as you want it. I personally don't like mine too tight because I find that it breaks off your hair. So yeah. Oh, and are we done? Not quite. So I'm jumping right in with my Nairobi hair foam, and I'm going in on my edges using my all-time favorite baby hair toothbrush, and I'm going to just brush all the hairs in the direction of the bun, and I'm going to jump right into the baby hairs. Doing my baby hair, I don't have a specific baby hair strategy or something specific that I do just yet, but I do find it easier to swoop and control using the Nairobi foaming lotion and continuously brushing and swooping until, I get it how I like it. And I do the exact same thing on the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect, but, try our best. So now that we're done with the baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and finalize my knot and bun, going over it one more time, one more good time with the brush, and I'm going to go ahead and tie it up. For the bun, because my hair is short, I do find doing a bun a bit more difficult, so I try to brush and stretch out my hairs as much as possible to make it easier to tuck my bun. Once I tuck it, I'm going to grab another hair tie, and I'm going to just secure the bun. So I did notice a few flyaways, so I'm going around the surface with my baby hair toothbrush and a little bit more gel on the tips of my fingers. So there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried it and how it worked out for you. Kisses.